everyone, Little Crafty Kitty here, and today I'm going to be doing a Mercari doll haul. If you've never heard of Mercari, it is a free app where you can buy and sell things. I'm not sponsored, but I do really enjoy buying from this app and selling from it. So if you guys want to sign up for free, you can use my link in the description and get $10 when you sign up, absolutely free. So if you want a free $10, definitely check that out. Now on to the haul. The first lot that I'm going to be showing you came with 5 dolls for $15.25. And the first one was a new in-box doll. This is a One Direction male doll, and I needed more male dolls, so I can't wait to review him with you guys in the future. The next doll in this lot is this articulated doll. She is really cute. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep her all together or use her for parts, but I do really like this doll, and she even came with this really pretty Halloween dress. So I will definitely keep you guys updated on what I decide to do. Next up, we have a blonde Barbie. She has black lipstick, and I love that she's pale. But unfortunately, her joints are really loose. So if you guys have any tips on how I can fix her, please let me know in the comments down below. Next up, we have this doll, and she is the main reason that I purchased this lot. I just absolutely loved her skin tone. She's articulated, and those earrings are adorable. But unfortunately, her hair is really chopped up, so I don't think I'm going to be able to save it. So I may do a reroute or swap her head. Either way, I think it's a good doll. The final doll in this particular lot is a Valentine's Day Barbie. She came with all of her clothes other than her shoes, and I just think she is super pretty as is. She does need a little bit of cleaning, but other than that, she is a really cute doll. All in all, I think this lot was definitely worth the $15 that I paid. The second lot that I purchased came with 7 dolls for $17.25. And this first doll is so cute. I can't wait to find her a made-to-move body that matches her skin tone because she is one of my favorites. So yes, I did get her, and she is a fashionista doll if you guys didn't know. Also, I got this older Barbie, which I don't really mind. I love their face molds, but she unfortunately also has loose joints. Though she is articulated, maybe I can fix her up and make her look good as new. I do really like this doll though. I think she's cute, and I'm glad that she is articulated. The next doll in this lot is a Midge doll, and she's actually in great condition other than her lipstick is starting to smudge off a bit at the top, but I think I can fix it. And she's really pretty. You guys know I love redheads. They can have reddish brown hair, red hair. I just love my redheads because I am one, and they are a little bit harder to find, but I'm super excited to have her in my collection. The next doll in this lot has really pretty brown hair, and her makeup is really cute. I love the shininess to it, and she is a bit taller than the other Barbies, so I think she's really cool. The next Barbie in this lot is super fun. She has this golden blonde hair, and I absolutely love her body type. It's more of a model body type, and she also stands taller than the rest of the Barbies. I do own a few of these dolls, but I really do like them. Up next, we have just a regular Barbie doll, but the cool thing about her, even though she's dirty and needs a little bit of washing, she could pass for a teenager because she is super short and she has flat feet. They also include these little underwear, which was really cool, so I can't wait to turn her into a teen. The final doll in this lot is a redhead, and she was the main reason I bought this lot. Unfortunately, I already had her, and I didn't realize it was the same exact doll, but it, I'm glad to have another redhead in my collection. Now I'm going to be sharing a couple of the single dolls that I purchased on Mercari. First up, we have a Chloe doll. She was $12 and I just really love her pink hair and all of her little accessories that she comes with. So we will definitely be reviewing her later on our channel. Up next, I bought two cute little kid dolls. One has not got here yet, but this is one of them that was $8. I thought she was super cute, and since Halloween is right around the corner, I had to have her. Now for some bonus clips of my flea market finds. The first doll that I got at the flea market is this Becky doll. I actually purchased her to resell, and I was shocked at how much I was able to get her for. She was only $9, so I hope to make a really good profit on this doll, and she is super cute. This next doll I purchased for myself at the flea market, and she is really cute. She has rooted lashes and some articulation, and she was only $2.50. Though her knees are not articulated, I think she's a beautiful doll, and I'm so happy to have her. The last doll that I picked up for myself at the flea market was this one, and she was only $2. She's an Ever After High doll, which I'm most excited about because I don't have any at the moment. So I was so excited to have her in my collection, and she seems like she's in pretty good condition. All I have to do is clean her up. Well, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.